Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olusoy Ahmed, and in this video I'll be walking you through the most powerful WhatsApp marketing automation software you can ever come across. Okay guys, this software is very powerful and it works like magic. I want to show you how this software works and how you can use it to promote your business. Okay, the features of this software is so powerful that you don't need any other thing than this software to market your product. I will show you some of the features, the core features, and everything you need to know about this software. Now, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, can you do one thing for me? Can you click on the subscribe button or click on the bell notification so you get notified once I drop new video, guys? I don't want you guys to miss any of this video because every part is very important. I'm going to be showing you how to get this software by the end of this video, and I'm going to show you how you can use this software to promote your business without ever running adverts again. Okay, without further ado, let's get started, guys. Now, the first thing for us this software is you need to connect your WhatsApp, and to do that you click on open WhatsApp. You see, once you click on open WhatsApp, it will tell you to connect your WhatsApp, but as for me, I've connected my WhatsApp already. So you have not connected the WhatsApp, to prompt you to connect your WhatsApp. Okay, you can click on the link devices and you can connect your WhatsApp just like the way you connect your WhatsApp to your laptop. Okay, from your phone to your laptop. So once you have connected your WhatsApp, then everything is now working perfectly now. Now, the first thing first I would like to do here is you can do one thing. Number one is that you can import your numbers here. You can see these WhatsApp numbers here. You can click on this and import from files or manual import. If you say manual import, you need to enter the numbers line by line, 2, 3, 4. You can see. So it doesn't have a name. Okay, it doesn't have a name. So you can import your numbers. Okay, let me cancel this. Then if you don't want to import numbers, then you can generate numbers. Okay, that's the first step. You can generate numbers. Let me say I want to generate numbers now. So what will I do? I will just go to number filters. Okay, I'll go to number filters. Then I'll click on number generator, and I'll put one of my numbers as the starting point. Let me just say 080081467. So I want to generate 1000. Let me just say 1000 numbers because it will validate for me. The increment, I want to increment it by 4. Then delay in seconds, I can increase it to 1. Okay, sorry. Just click on OK. Then you insert country code. You can see insert country code. So I will insert 234. That's the country code. And it has generated 1000 numbers for me automatically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the delay to 1 second. So I'll just click on start checking. Okay, it now can see my own number is the first and it says it's regular. I can see this one is not found. You can see this one is not found. So you can see is checking it one after the other. You can see it's not found. So you can see it only found one number. I can see everything is not on WhatsApp. I will just stop this. So let me stop it for now. So let me increase this up to 0. Sorry, 0. Let me just decrease it to 0. Let me close this and let me do it again. This time I'm going to use my MTN. Let me use my MTN number. Okay, so I'm going to generate like 500. Let's say 500. Increment of, I love using increment of 3. Okay, because I think because my number ends with 5. So it's an odd number, so I like using increment of 3. So click on OK. So I'll click on insert country. So insert country code. The country code is 234. Then click on OK and click on start checking. So you can see the way is very fast. You can see because I use increment of 3. So I always advise you use increment of odd numbers. Okay, odd numbers increment. You can see that's found 58, 61, 63, 67, 67. You can see this 78, 70. You can see. So you can see now that I've gotten a valid WhatsApp number. You can see value, and it will tell you if this is business WhatsApp or regular WhatsApp. So you can see it has funded 120. So what I do is I'm going to, you can import to, or you can export to. So you say import to. So let me just import to. Okay, let me just say exports. You can export all. Let me see all. So I'm going to export it as WhatsApp numbers to my documents. So now that I've exported it, so I can let me now close it because I've finished exporting, so I can now close it. So I've exported it. Okay, you can see this is the numbers now. These are the numbers. Okay, so automatically it will be exported automatically into this box here. You can see 240. Okay, now I'm not going to use this. I'm going to clear this list. I'm going to export my own, import my own. So if I want to import, okay, I can actually come to this. Just click on manual imports. Sorry, no, not manual import. Let me just choose right click import from files. So browse. I'm going to choose WhatsApp 2. So Excel, text files, WhatsApp 2, WhatsApp number 2. Open. So you can see that it has been imported. So you click on what? You can see 120 in total. You can see 120. Click on import. So you can see that it has been imported. Now the second way you can get numbers, you see, you can do group grabbers. You can grab numbers from the group you have joined. Okay. Now let me say groups grabber. Click on groups grabber. So because you have connected the WhatsApp, automatically you click on fetch groups because this is a new number. So you can see that it will generate all the, if you say generate this group, it will generate all the members of this group. Okay, all the, if I say this or this, let me say this, click on get contact from group. You can see the contact has been generated. So you can see that it has it has generated all the groups. So just click on add to sender list. Once click add to sender list, okay, it has added to the sender list automatically. You can see it has increased to contact rate. You can see. So, but I'm not going to do this. Let me just clear this list. I'm going to import the files that you have generated. Import from files, browse. Then I will import some text files. Then WhatsApp number 2. You can see, and click on what? Imports. Okay. Import. Then this column number field is column 1. You can see column 1. Make sure it's in column 1. Click on import. And the next thing for you to do is to send message. But before you send message, you can add auto reply rules. So if you want to add auto reply rules like an autoresponder, if someone says, "Oh, good day, what should the software reply?" So we click on auto reply rules. Then this rule can give it rule 1. Then keyword contains maybe I am interested. I'm interested in your software. Maybe that is the one that you need them to say. Then what will this software do? That's okay. Thanks for showing interest. Okay, thanks for showing interest. Kindly save my number as Ahmed. Once done, kindly type the word saved. I just put it saved. Okay, you can put it in quotation mark so that it will be bold on WhatsApp. Okay, saved. So I'm going to what? Click on what? Okay. You can see this one has been added. So but it is false now. You can see. So just click on it again and click on modify rule. So just enable rule. Yeah, enable rule so that it will be true. You can see it is true now. This auto reply, you need to set it to be on. You can see it's on. It's off now. It's on. It's off. So now what you do is from here now you can add another rules. Sorry, not modify rules. I'm not modifying rules. So click on add auto reply rules again. So when they click on maybe this rule 2, the keyword contains maybe saved. Okay. So you now give them say thanks for saving my number. Okay. Kindly join my training group with the link below. Okay, with the link below. Okay, so the person click on enable rule and click on what? Okay. And one beautiful feature about the software is that you can see this receive message here. Any message that someone sends to you, it will be here. Okay, it should be here. Now I want to send campaigns to these numbers now. So to do that, just compose my number. Next, I'm going to go to my YouTube channel. I'm going to copy one of my. I want to promote this to people. How to send bulk SMS at $1. So I'm going to copy the URL. Okay. So let me copy the URL. Copy the URL. So I'm going to compose a message. So I have composed a message here. Do you know you can send unlimited SMS with your phone at 80 kobo per SMS using this powerful software? This software allows you to send unlimited SMS using your smartphone. I have made a complete, you can see a complete video, sorry, on how this software works. So you can see the YouTube. In case the link is not clickable, you can just type hello in reply to my message to make the link clickable. Because if you are sending message to an unknown number, and link is there, WhatsApp will not allow the link to be clickable unless the person replies you. Okay, so to avoid that, so make sure you put this. Now I want to say, before you send, you need to set your sending limits or something. Click on settings and you click on sending settings. You can wait between maybe 2 seconds. You should wait 2 seconds so that to avoid or 3 seconds. Okay. So then finally sending connection is fast. Then click on close. Then you can schedule your message here also. You can schedule it if you want. If you are running a training and you have a broadcast here and want them to be getting messages on daily basis. Okay, you can schedule your message. You can do follow-up series. You can schedule a 30-day follow-up series, 60 days follow-up series, and schedule it. And every day you'll be sending to the individual contact, which is massive, guys. I'm telling you, this software is is bad. Okay, just click on send now. Okay, just click on send now. It will tell you save mode. Save mode means that this contact you have been having conversations before with them. Okay, and blind mode means you have not been having conversation with them. That is why you need to set your limits. Okay, to like 3 seconds or 5 seconds. Okay, so click on blind mode and you click on what? Okay. Okay. Now you can see that sent. This one has been sent. If you waste 3 seconds, this one has been sent. This is my own. Okay, this is my own. Should have received it. So that is my own. So another one is sending. So you can see in my screen, you can see that I've received it. Hello, good day. You can see this. Do you know you can send unlimited SMS? You can see that I've received mine. So this R is going to be sending to everyone. You can see that it's fast. You don't need to do anything. Okay, you don't need to do anything. So you can see that it's very, very fast. This is how I'm receiving mine. Okay, so you can see that it's still sending. You can see these are sent for 49 because I made it like 2 seconds, 3 seconds. That is why. So if I make it 1 second to send, but I don't want WhatsApp to visit me, but in all and good, you can make it 5 seconds and you can just continue sending. Okay, and if you want to make this one to be automated, like you want to send 10,000 WhatsApp numbers at a go, you know what you do. So maybe I'm going to do a video. Okay, I'm going to do a video on that, on how to place your WhatsApp software, how to place it on your VPS server. You want to place it on your VPS server. If you want me to do this kind of video, I need you to comment below. Just comment below that you made a video on how to put your put the software on the VPS server so it can be automated. All this one that you are doing, So to be sending in a VPS, you can close your laptop and you can go away. So you know that 10,000 emails, 10,000 messages to the WhatsApp number will be sent. Okay, you can even delay it to be 10 seconds because it's cloud based. So whichever one, if it finishes around 3 hours, 4 hours, there is no a problem because it's already in cloud. So you sending WhatsApp messages to like 10,000 contacts and you are promoting your business. Think about this. How many conversions will you see? Think about it. If you are running a training, full training, think about it. How many conversions will you see? You don't need to run any kind of advert again. Okay, just generate this number simply, validate it with the software, with the WhatsApp filter. Once you validate it, then import it and start blasting guys. And WhatsApp converts the more. WhatsApp can convert 90% because the opening rate of WhatsApp is higher than email. Every time people open their WhatsApp, okay, and you want to leverage on this to start promoting your business, guys. And you can see this is only anything I've done. This is 0816. I can do it to 0803. And make sure I love to be using like odd numbers to to end the numbers to the increment. So use odd numbers. Okay. I'm going to pause this. Okay, I'm going to what? Close. Are you sure to close? Yes. So I'm done. So I'm done here. So now let me just send a message to this number from my other number and see how this gets delivered. Okay. Let me just send thank you. Let me just say thanks for this. You will see that it will appear here. It will appear here. You see, you can see thanks for this. You can see this is my number. So you can reply that person also. You can see is there how you reply. So I can reply this person. Just click on it. Okay. I will reply the sender. Oh, you are welcome. Instead of you going to your WhatsApp again, just you are welcome. You have sent it. Just reply the person, and I've received it. Okay, you are welcome. So I've received it. So that's how it should go. So that's how you can promote your business. You don't need to get any form of automation, subscribe to an automation software, all this one. This alone can bring you millions and millions of naira to your business every month, guys. Okay, so to get the software, there's a link in the description below. Just click on the link in the description below to get the software. Okay, so once you get the software, you can start promoting your business, okay, and start getting massive conversions for your business. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Ahmed. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified once I drop a new video. Thank you very much. Implement the software and I'll see you in my next video.